Okay, I thought I'd make a video of this real quick. What this is this is my belt kit, my L.V.I for autumn and winter, and this butt pack that I have is an old school Spec Ops SOB, right? Soldiers Optimized butt pack. All right. So it was designed with Alice clips in mind. Alright, so I dyed this. It's kind of hard to see right now, but the foliage green turned olive green. Alright, it turned olive green, and I used camel RIT dye. So the camel turned the sand color in here a darker, almost coyote brown, and then it turned the foliage green into an olive green, which it came out pretty good. So I think I'm just gonna go with one dye, one round of dye on it, because it's better to have it a little bit light in the back here anyway, because it's going to be underneath the patrol pack, and that's going to create a shadow between the patrol pack and the butt pack anyway. So if it's just slightly lighter right down there, that's okay. But the thing is I needed to be able to attach this old school Alice, right? These are going to go on my harness. These D-rings will go on my webbing harness here, right? But I made these adapters, okay? You can't buy these. I made them. I designed them and I made them. So this bottom tab here, right there, that goes in the bottom. Okay, you got 2 rows of PALS webbing here, right, for your molly setup. So the top row, that long end, goes in there because you want that up higher, okay? And then this piece here goes through the wide Alice clip webbing that's on the butt pack. So that goes there, and then it goes, just slides down on there, and then when you get it on there, then you're gonna take some paracord and you're gonna take it and you're gonna go back and forth, kind of like a shoelace through here, pull it up tight, do an overhand. Now then you're gonna say, well, what about the bottom? So the bottom, it's hard to see, but I'm going to try to describe it to you. The bottom is a long piece of paracord, and the paracord goes through the bottom, through that bottom loop, okay, and then up and around that webbing, bar tack and the webbing, right? We're talking on the lower level here. Not up here, talking on the lower level down there where you can't see. So it goes around the bar tack in the webbing down there. Okay, so it'll go through the loop, around the bar tack, down through the loop, around the bar tack, down through the loop, like that. Okay, and then I did a very long piece to go all the way across, because this is all an experiment when I did this, right? Just trying to come up with a plan. And then I took it through each, because there's going to be a loop that goes like that on the bottom where the bar tack is. On the very bottom you'll see all these loops, okay? So when I got the other side, it goes back through that little loop, and then back through that little loop, back through that little loop, and then this side will go back through that little loop, back through the little loop, back through the little loop, and then on the bottom I do a double fisherman's knot and then just tie off the ends. Okay, so that whole piece on the bottom is secured like that, so then it can't slip out of the bottom pal's webbing. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. Okay, see, I got a lot of irons in the fire. I'm trying to do all kinds of things. When I finally get a lot of things completed, then we'll go through the belt kit. Alright, the pockets and all that, just like I talked to you about. And that's it for today. I'm going to finish this up because I was either going to dye it or I was going to paint it. Dyeing came out pretty good. It looks better outside than it does inside. So I'm just going to go ahead and go with one dye job on it instead of two. I'm going to wrap this up, and then I'm going to go out and do some work outside. And then another thing that I got going on is, you know, because I believe that autumn, winter is when we're really going to, we possibly are going to see something happen. Okay, because, you know, the selection's coming up. There's a lot of tension. The powder keg sitting near the fireplace, you know, so we got to be vigilant right now. I still got stuff going on with my spring summer kit, my belt kit. I'm working on that. I want to get rid of the 3 general purpose pouches on the back, on the very back of it, and I want to put a tiger stripe butt pack in there. So I'm going to have to design the tiger stripe butt pack. Once I get that done, then I can get that installed, and then I can finish that one out. But anyway, I won't be too much longer on this. I may go through my autumn winter belt kit, L.V.I, right, and rucksack and all that. I may go through all that in these upcoming videos, even though it's right now it's summertime. I may go through this brown kit because I'm kind of getting it set up right now, because I think that's kind of the time period that we're looking at. You know, I think we still got a little time. We still got a little time to be getting ready for any possible situation that may be coming up. You just got to be vigilant, guys. I hope this helped. If you have any questions or whatever, drop me a line, and I'll try to help you with it. I'll catch you later.